In this video, guys, we're talking about Recime app review. So, guys, this is a popular recipient organizer app. You can try this one for free from here, up to 5 million download and for 4.8 start rating. You can create a list in 1 second, guys, and you can create smart grocery list automatically by supermarket from here, guys. As you can see here, you can create your grocery list. You have a season products, and here all this recipe you can try. You have meal plan. You can also looking to save your time and for a better recipe meal plan, guys. You can make it easy to archive your goals, and you can organize your list of recipients trusted by 5 million users. And this is some review. If I check this app on the Trustpilot, guys, as you can see here, just wait. This is the app, Recime.app. If I check this one on Trustpilot, so guys, I didn't see any result yet. Maybe it is not listed on this platform. So guys, you can try this app on App Store or Google Play Store from here, and you can use. If I check this image one by one, so guys, you have a list for here for a recipient. You have a cozy soup, breakfast, desserts, dinners, and you can also meal plan. You have a lot of things, guys. You can in this app. You have also, guys, cook books plan. You have a chair. You can add your cooking dough here, and then, guys, you can use this app. You have also image. You can check all this image from here, and you can view recipient. It's good, guys, and great app for you have fresh produce here. And this is a great AI app for a recipient creating and create a list. You have also, guys, you can calculate your calories here. You have a protein, you have carbs, and you have fats. All you can track all this calorie from here on the section. So, guys, this is good app you can use, and you can start using this app. And you have also, guys, the salad here, the dressing cup. You can check all these things. Thanks for watching this video, guys.